Good evening, this is Keith All and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to create a TikTok profile picture that can create more views for you. Here's my TikTok account and here's my profile picture right here. And I'm going to show you how I created this profile picture, which is of course my picture and then this round thick border around it. So I'm going to be using a free website called canva.com. Once you're there, you want to create an account, a free account. Once you log in, come over here to the right where it says create design. You want to select logo if it's suggested up here, so I'm going to select that. It's going to bring you to a new screen, and then over here on the left hand navigation area you want to select elements, and then you want to scroll down where you see the section called frames. You want to click on see all. You're going to scroll down through the list until you get to this free option here. So once you hover over it, it should say whether it's free or not. Let's see, it looks like a lot of these are free. But anyways, select that and select the three dots or the ellipsis. And it's called the thick border round frame is what you want to look for. So you want to select that. What you want to do, you want to make sure it's selected. Up here towards the left, you want to select to change this border, thick border frame color. You want to select this option here, the right one. The first one, first selection, will actually change the inside color here. But this is where we're going to be putting our profile picture, so it lays within this circle border. So let's just select any color. You can select a prefine, see how it changes the colors, whatever that you want. Okay, I'm going to select orange. Click out of that area. Now what I want to do is I want to upload an image of myself. So if you click uploads first, it's already going to show all the uploads that you made in the past. If you currently don't have any, just click on upload image and select your device, and it'll look to your PC or Mac. To back out of this, click this left arrow and it'll bring you back to the images that you already uploaded. So I'm going to select this picture. It's going to put the picture over that image. And if you happen to click out of it, that's okay, because what we want to do is we want to be able to move it within that circle frame. So just click on it again, move it until you get the double cross arrow like this. So in other words, it's centered. Let go. Just a second. There we go. There we go. Now you'll have to play around with it, but anyways, I was able to get it. So now you're able to move it around. Okay. Now what you want to do is you're at this point where you want to download it to your PC. So go ahead and click download in the upper right hand corner. Suggested is ping. If you don't have the paid version of Canva, you're not able to select these options. That's why these are grayed out at the moment. But select PNG and then click download. It's preparing your design, and now it's downloading over here to the left. So at this point, I'm on a desktop. I'm unable to upload this image using the desktop version of TikTok. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and send this attachment, this image that we just created. I'm going to send it as an attachment email. I'll download it on my phone and then use the TikTok app on my Android phone, or in some cases, if you have an iPhone, do it that way. And then I'll upload the picture here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh the screen so you can see that I changed the image. Right now it's got that greenish aqua color around there. And this is, let's do that. And this is the color that we just did here. So I'm going to go back to my TikTok profile. I'm going to refresh the screen. And there you have it. And that's how you change that profile picture to be something like this, where you can have your image on the inside of a circle with a border or frame. I want to thank you for stopping by today. If you have any more questions or more ideas for future videos, please put them in the comments below. And always, please subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification so you can always be alerted to when I have a new video ready. Thanks again for stopping by. You have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.